All right, it is the 22nd. We've got a couple hours before the market opens, and the futures look like they're pushing up about 15 points. And I'm expecting the market to just grind its way up this week on a light market. We don't trade what we expect, we trade what the market's doing. So just wait for your signals and confirmation. We still, on this daily, we still have this divergence happening, although it's breaking. It's got to break that high, start rolling this around and move up, make a higher high. This divergence triggers at this low right here of 625.25. And that's kind of in contradiction of what's going on in the weekly. And here in the weekly, we just had this bear flag trigger, and we're pushing up. And it's not that aggressive, but it looks like it's going to just continue to float up. But I'll take this. You can see the momentum fading off a little bit, but that's because the volume's dying down. So that's why I say we may just float up, because light volume markets tend to float up. You need some volume to push stocks down. So this light volume week ought to float the market up nicely. There's still those inflation fears out there. Everybody's hemming and hawing about. But really, I'm not going to take a big look across the board on everything, because I just want to look at XOM and bask in my glory. So I'm not looking at everything, because it's going to be a light volume week. Things should float up. I won't really trust the fundamentals. But yeah, XOM fell off. I got out of it that day, 64.95. Just something moved me. And kind of happy I made that move. Didn't close my whole position, but I took a whole bunch off and just feel as though I could buy this thing a lot cheaper. So I figured I'd take advantage of that. Normally I don't trade it. It's just a long-term investment. So I'll just collect a dividend on this smaller piece and look for an entry again. And that's about it. The 10-year, let's have a quick look at the 10-year, since that's of importance to us. And the computer is moving quickly, or the data is streaming quickly. 10-year looks like it's got another leg down. It's not what I want to see. Because that's just telling me money's coming out of the market, going into bonds, raising bond prices. And VIX is still hovering in that consolidation area. So the VIX is kind of confirming that there's not a whole bunch of fear in there. I would like to see it start pushing its way down a little bit. But that's confirming that there's not a whole lot of fear. The 10-year has got me a little, I wouldn't say nervous, but has me questioning the validity of this move and the strength. Yeah, it looks like it's just bottoming out around here. That's the 30. They both look very different. Well, it's definitely in a consolidation. I'm looking at the 10-year now. So I guess we're just going to have to watch it. Again, this is just going to be a dead week. I'm not going to invest too much in any of these technicals this week, because it's just a light week. Things will get pushed around easily. So anyway, that's my spiel, man. Everybody, I hope everybody had a good weekend. Looking forward to Thanksgiving. Remember, we don't trade on Thursday, and it's a half a day on Friday, and that's why I'm seeing light volume. Let's see if we can get some news up. It doesn't look like I'm having very much luck. Oh, that's not really what I wanted. Oh yeah, that is what I wanted. It seems like the software is pulling up a lot faster than the sites are. Life on the hook. Oh, and now my internet went out all in all. All right, well, so anyway, this week is going to be kind of strange in streaming. There's a guy over here with a sailboat who his crew left him because he had to do repairs and they couldn't stick around. So I'm going to hop on his boat and take him over to St. Martin. I'm just waiting for a weather window. So I'll keep you guys posted, but I don't know how attentive I'm going to be on this channel. I'm going to need to get out there and give this guy a hand. I'm going to be way offshore and won't be able to get any internet access. So that being the case, subscribe and hit the bell so when I come up, you will know I'm up. And hit the like because I appreciate it. And just remember to be calm and cool. Don't trade outside of your comfort zone. If you're feeling strung out and stressed, you definitely have too much money in the market. So you should be comfortable, cool, not really care whether you win or lose, or at least nobody should be able to tell whether you're winning or losing. And remember, do a little meditation. Be at peace when you trade, and good luck trading.